Hey, welcome to Howza channel. We continue our course called How to Go from 32-bit to 64-bit in Windows 10. It will have 5 video tutorials with detailed instructions. Today's video is the 4th lesson, and we will show you how to install missing Windows 10 drivers. Open your web browser and paste the link you can find in the description box down below. Open the web page. Click on the green button, Install all required drivers. Open the downloaded file. DriverPack Solution will launch. Click Configure the computer automatically. The app will check the system and look for missing drivers. It will install them automatically. Sit back and relax. That's it. Stay tuned for the next part. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day.